name is Staci, and I'm from Petland, and we have two guests we're speaking with today. We've got Ravi.
Sir Ravi, thank you very much.
You're so welcome. And Radcliff the Parrot.
Yes, it's so good to see you all.
We're here today talking about all different types of things about parrots and snakes, like where they come from.
No, the snake can stay over there.
I am getting rather hungry over here.
No, we're not going through this again. We do this on the other side of Petland. I am on the other side. You stay to your side.
You know we do that on purpose, right?
You do?
Oh, absolutely. We don't want you
because
to...
I like it that way.
I'm getting rather hungry.
I told you,
No.
quiet.
Not allowed, Ravi.
Yeah.
Ravi, you're a nice snake. You only eat mice and rats. You don't eat birds.
Yes, you don't eat birds, so let's keep it that way.
Especially birds like Radcliff, who can actually
Especially
speak.
like me.
Do you know where you come from?
Where do I come from? I have no idea.
You actually are bred in the United States. You're born in the United States. Did you know that?
Really?
Me too. Absolutely.
So I'm an American.
He is an American.
Oh, brother. Don't
Radcliff?
let anyone into this country.
Be nice to Ravi. Did you know you're an American too?
Me?
Yes. Where did you get that accent?
I'm probably the British Isles or something like that.
Ah, I see. You must have been on vacation because you were born in America as well.
Don't tell anyone.
Yeah, you're not imported here. We
No?
don't catch you in the wild. We actually get you as little tiny babies.
Could you at least put it on my paperwork?
Sure. Whatever you
Okay,
ask, Radcliff.
Fine.
Do you know how old you are when you come to our store, Ravi and Radcliff?
Yeah?
I have no idea.
No.
Well, Radcliff is about 6 to 8 weeks old, and Ravi, you're about 10 weeks old when you come to our store.
So I'm older.
Okay, whatever.
Well, we actually hand feed Radcliff. We don't hand feed you, Ravi, so we need to make sure you're eating good with Mom and Dad before you come to our
They
store.
just shove the food towards you. Me, it works well.
It works well. We actually hand feed you, Radcliff, until you're eating seed and you're eating all sorts of fun things called Zupreme, which is a balanced diet.
Tasty. I love rolling it in my tongue.
Your tongue?
Right
That's right.
in the beak there.
Do you know why you like to roll it in your tongue?
No, tell me, dear.
It's because you're a forager.
I didn't sign a thing, honestly.
Birds like to forage. They walk around in the jungles and fly around, and they pick things out of the trees, and they pick things off the ground, and that's why you have that little tongue that you have that goes all over the place.
I have a tongue too.
I'm a forager.
Yeah, sure, a forager, and absolutely you have a tongue, Ravi. And does your tongue sting people?
I don't think so.
No, it doesn't. A lot of people think they can get stung by a snake's tongue.
Yes, and you just
Absolutely
stay
not.
over there. Stay over there.
Don't
Got
get your
it?
tongue too close. Now, children.
What?
Children.
What?
That's enough. You guys can get along in my store, and then you
Well.
go to homes where the snakes have no parrots and the parrots have no snakes.
And we like it that way.
We usually find you both homes very quickly, and you don't have to do anything but make your family happy. And the way you do that is by being yourselves.
Yeah, good. Do we get to come back?
You can come back if you have to.
Oh,
If
good.
your family can't keep you for some reason, maybe because you live 100 years or more, then you can come back to our store and live with us until we can find you a new family. We have a shelter license to do that.
Sold. I'm all set.
Okay, wonderful. You're a ball python. We have boa constrictors too, but ball pythons get about 3 to 6 feet, so you don't get very big.
He's a what?
He's a ball python.
A bow python. Stay over there, bow python. Got it? Not near me.
I promise, Radcliff, I will not let Ravi get you.
Oh, good. Good. I like it that way. I just want to be right on your arm.
Aw, I love you too. I'm so glad you were able to visit with us today, and we could talk a little bit about your lives.
All right, thanks.
Will you come back and see us again?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.